Oh, Mike Custom Cruisers, beautiful bit of gear. Got a 2 kilowatt, which actually says maximum power is 2.12. Nippon Denso starter. Now this isn't your normal Chinese crap. This is a proper 18446N 2 kilowatt starter motor. This is for your Evos or your early twin cams. Monstrous power, absolutely incredible. This thing weighs a ton. Now it says it will draw 700 amps. Okay, that's maximum. That means you will need new leads and a serious solenoid. Okay, but I mean, this thing, that is the maximum it'll ever draw. Obviously you won't need that to turn over 90% of motors. A big S&S 143 or something, fair enough, but you can see the sort of horsepower this thing kicks out. You can see from the maps here. Okay, here's your voltage, your torque. So you're looking, where are we, 22 newton meters there. We've got 30 up there, 28 here. Okay, so this really is a serious bit of kit. Free run test, 94 amps, I imagine that is. Okay, these are all the passes, all that stuff. 2.12 kilowatt maximum. And this is actually physically checked, not just bullshit written down. Now, Nippon Denso, in case you don't know, make most of the Japanese stuff. It's very, very high quality. WAI own Nippon Denso. If you feel a weight to this thing, it's fucking unbelievable. This is a 18446N, okay? And if you want to turn over your big Ultima, your big dogs, your real big ass motors, this is the starter you need. Plus you need thicker leads, which we can supply, and you also need a decent battery, like an Odyssey. An Odyssey PC 680 is 680 amps. Okay, a PC 545 for Softail, that's 545 amps. No other battery will come close. The average Harley battery is 320 amp. So these Odysseys, coupled with this and new leads, you're going to turn over the QE2. Okay, if you're interested in any awesome starters like this, give us a bell, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, custom-cruisers.myshopify.com will be available soon, and will then become customcruisers.com. 43,000 products on there instead of the usual shite we've had for all these years, with wank stains offering to do it and charging me for the privilege and completely doing sweet fuck all, if you excuse the phrase. Anyway, give me a bell, you know the score. Hopefully see you at the Yorkshire Pudding Rally in 2025. Thanks.